Hi, my name is Colleen, and today I'm going to talk about faithfulness in proximity. Now, I played volleyball in college, and my senior year, we won our conference championship on our home court, which, if you're an athlete, you understand that is like the ultimate thing. It was the greatest athletic achievement of my life, and I loved that I got to share that with my teammates, who were some of my closest friends on campus. I mean, we'll still get together and we'll reminisce about that conference championship and winning on our home court. Now, I cannot imagine what it would have been like to have that season ripped away from me because a pandemic broke out and my campus shut down. That would have been such a huge, painful loss for my teammates and I to see all that hard work not pay off. And so many of you, this is your new reality. You have experienced either the loss of your season, the loss of your senior year, or something that you were looking forward to and working hard for this spring was just taken from you. This is a crazy season that we're in. And for me, I have found that I feel most rooted and most at peace when I can stay in the present. And so for me, staying in the present has looked like focusing right where God has me right now and listening to His voice about what obedience looks like. Now, in Athletes InterVarsity, we say your team is your primary mission field. And that's because that's who you're in closest proximity with on campus if you're an athlete. Many of you, I've been hearing, have kept that team as your focus. You've been connecting with your teammates online. You've started new team Bible studies online. And this is amazing to see just ministry flowing out of you in this time. I also want to ask you, though, to think about, where does God have you now? How can you apply those same principles on campus of ministry and proximity to the proximity that God has you right now? And do you know what faithfulness looks like in this new place and new season? So for me, my proximity is I live in Northern Virginia with my husband Greg and my roommate Austin. And so I have made a commitment to focus on them in this time. So what that looks like is I set a time to shut my computer each day. Austin and I do a workout together. The three of us cook a meal together. We sit around and have dinner together, and we're watching a show together. And it's been really fun and simple to have that rhythm in my life of connecting with them. Another thing we do is we do a check-in emotionally with each other, as close to daily as we can. We'll just ask, what emotion are you feeling right now? Why are you feeling that? So we can be with each other and connect in that way. Another commitment that Greg and I have made is we want to support one local restaurant. We know there's a lot of people in need right now, a lot of businesses that are struggling, and so we feel like we're going to support this one local Thai restaurant each week by ordering takeout from them. And we want to support that business specifically, but we also are looking to build a relationship with the owner and his family of that restaurant. Now, these are very simple things, but these areas of faithfulness for me have come before as I've stilled myself before the Lord and I've asked Him, show me what it looks like to be faithful in this season. Show me what you want me to do, God. There's a verse in Isaiah that talks about this. Isaiah 30:21 says, whether you turn to the right or to the left, your ears will hear a voice behind you saying, this is the way, walk in it. And I just love that verse because God doesn't want to give us, we have so many questions about all that's going on right now, the big picture of the world, the global pandemic. But He actually wants to give you clarity and me clarity about each day, what faithfulness looks like, what steps I should take today. You know what it's like to love and care for your teammates while on campus. And so now I want to encourage you to take those same practices and do ministry in the proximity where God has you. Jesus has you where you are for a reason, and He does want to guide you and give you peace and show you what those steps of faithfulness are. So the Lord be with you in this season.